There you have it, Rolex, Ugandan Rolex. Welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make Ugandan Rolex. Some of you have been actually asking us to make you Rolex, so today is the day. I hope that you enjoy. But one thing I just want you to know quickly is you put whatever vegetable you want in your Rolex. It can be green pepper, red pepper, tomatoes. You can even put a bit of sweet corn if you like it. Put what you like, put what you enjoy. And obviously onion is like one main ingredient that you cannot afford to forget. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and also share the video with other people. We thank you, we really love you, and we appreciate you. God bless. Let's get cooking. Guys, we have got the ingredients for the Rolex here. This is self-raising flour because we are making it for 4 people, so it depends. If you are just making it for yourself, you can just use 1 cup of flour. I use about 3 and a bit. And then we have got salt here, about a teaspoon of salt. We've got cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons, which we are going to add in the flour there. We've got the eggs. We are going to use actually 2 eggs for 1 Rolex, We want more protein. 2 eggs for 1 Rolex. 1 large chapati, 2 eggs. And then 1 big onion. This is going to be just divided. All these ingredients will be divided into 4. We have the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I love fresh tomatoes, with the nice fresh vine, You can tell it is really fresh and good. And then we have got the spring onion and 1 carrot. Yeah, this is the ingredient that we had available in the house. So that's what we are going to use. So we are going to cut our onion now. 1 gigantic onion. But if you are making only 1 or 2, you don't need really such a big onion, no. And actually, red onion is quite sweet, It has just such a special kind of aroma, but it doesn't matter, really, it doesn't have to be red onion. Red onion is very common in Uganda. Yeah, so you cut them very small. I washed this already, actually. I washed it. Yeah, and then you just chop that. We are going to grate that. Then it's okay to put them together because you're going to sprinkle them together anyway. Just going to grate the carrot. Now, good food is coming my way, and good food is coming your way if you can actually put this into practice. You have to make the effort to get out there, get all the ingredients that you need, make that effort. If you want to enjoy it, you've got to do something about it. It will not come to your plate just like that. You've got to get up and go. Be a go-getter. Be a go-getter. We are now going to make our chapati. In fact, for a full recipe for the chapati, you can go to our YouTube channel, and you'll find how we did chapati there. Actually, I'm going to put just half that. Yeah, mix. Then just add the water bit by bit and keep mixing it and filling it as well. Please don't pour too much, otherwise it's going to be. So I'm not really making too many chapatis. Keep on filling it, Make sure it's not too wet and it's not too dry. Can you see I have a lot of powder down there, so I add more water. It looks like it's going to consume the whole 1 cup of water. what I'm going to do, just going to put it here. It's clean, the top is clean, we cleaned it up before. And then just knead. Remember I told you we are just making it for 4 people. So now, before we start rolling out the chapati, we just want to heat up the frying pan now. And then we also put our cooking oil. I'm afraid you have to put enough so that your chapati doesn't actually get stuck or stick to the bottom. So what we are doing is really, we are going to do the chapati first. Yeah, we roll it out, do the chapati, put it aside, all of them, then do the filling. We are just going to roll out our chapati now. It doesn't have to be so perfect, guys. Even if the edges is a bit rough, it's okay. Okay, now we put our chapati there. A little bit larger than, it's okay. A little bit larger. So the next one I'm going to have to be more careful. So while this is actually frying at the bottom, I'm going to prepare the next one. I'm going to roll out the next one. Okay, just going to turn it. Ooh, that looks good. Oh wow. Wow. So a little bit like that. It's okay. Be careful when you're wearing gloves. Don't go about touching the frying pan, hot frying pan. Don't. This is the first way I'm going to do this. Yeah, I want to fry the onion a little bit. Yeah. I'll add the tomatoes. Yeah. This is going to be a lot of filling. Oh, this is a proper piece. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to flatten it a bit like that. Yeah. Then, I'm going to do the eggs. Put a little bit of salt in my egg. Then beat it up. Then, what you can also do is you can actually just cover it for a bit. Yeah, so that don't rush it cooking. Leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, guys, can you see how it looks? Yeah, guys, wish me luck. Ooh, look at that. Okay, guys, look at the color. Look how beautiful it looks. So now we are going to fold it up. Hopefully it doesn't break, but even if it breaks, so what? Food is ready. So let's fold it up. Let's fold it up. Fold it up. This is some serious meal here. Now, get the knife. Moment of truth. Let's cut it. There we go. There we go. Yay! We did it! Yeah, we did it. Guys, we did it. And the chapati is so soft. Okay, guys, now this is now the second way of doing Rolex. Just put a little bit of oil there. Actually, in order for your Rolex actually not to stick, you need actually quite a bit there. So I think this will be alright. So what I'm going to do, this is another way. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to mix everything up. I'm just going to put a bit of salt there and mix it up. And you can choose which one you actually prefer. So guys, let's check this one out. Ooh. Oh, this one seems to be holding together better. Hopefully, doesn't break. Sorry, a little bit. Breaking of the egg doesn't mean that, oh, no. It's still going to be rolled, so it doesn't have to be so perfect. We're just going to put our egg in there. Don't worry if it breaks, it doesn't matter, please. You can just lay them out nicely. Then we roll. Filling is a lot, but it's okay, you know? Yeah, and we're going to cut it. There you have it. Rolex, Ugandan Rolex. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure that you share this video with others. Give us a comment, and you know what, try out the recipe. You can come up with your own feeling in there, you know, as I told you already before. So please, thank you, may God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to give it a try. This is beautiful. Try it. You will not regret. It's my first time to make it, but I am going to make it now more often because it's too nice, right? Too nice. It makes eating egg actually more enjoyable. Bless you. Thank you.